next thing that we need to do is we need to split the surface of the contour. So we're going to split the surface. We're going to add the driveway. Okay. So we can see the driveway underneath, right? So what we can do is we're going to split the surface. So to split the surface, go to Massing and Site, and then we're going to say Split Surface. Okay, we're going to split this surface, but unfortunately I cannot see the lines, right? So let me cancel this. I cannot see the lines that I need for my driveway. So how do I do that? Well, let's see. Let's check what type of visibility can I use. Let's just use wireframe. There you go. So I'll use wireframe. I'm going to again say split surface. Okay, I'm going to select the surface that I want split. Okay, and I'm going to say pick lines. I'm going to pick this. I think to split surfaces, you can only split a surface into two. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split the first half, which is the top part of my driveway, and the bottom line or the top line for my road going out. That becomes one surface, and then I need to split again. So let me show you how that's done. Since I have one big surface, I'm going to split this one first. So this will be my split line. I'm going to just trace by selecting the lines that define the driveway. So this is the driveway. I'm going to be careful, select these lines. Be careful that you don't select them twice. It matters. Okay, so select this, 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 so it's the magenta line. So is it better if you use black or white or color? Black and white or color? Well, it doesn't really matter because you don't have that many lines yet, so it's easy to identify the CAD drawing. I'm just going around. Oops, be careful. Make sure you're selecting the pink line. There you go. And you need to make sure that this line extends. Okay? Make sure that line extends beyond the surface. Okay? Make sure that you make that extend beyond the surface. I'm going to hit modify, or MD is the shortcut. I'm going to modify this so that it extends beyond, right? Okay. And what's going to happen is that I'm going to split this into two different surfaces. So this is one surface, the interior, and then that's another surface. So click OK. It's, yeah, save project. So that's one surface right here, and that's the other surface. You can only split surfaces into two. Let me do the shaded view. Okay, that's one surface right there, and that's the other surface. To make the road, you cannot do it in one split surface command. Now I need to split this surface into two. So there's that other side of the road. This will be now split into two I can do that by, okay, let's use wireframe again. I'm going to say split surface. This time I'm going to split this surface. I'm going to say pick points or pick lines. Select this line. Extend beyond the surface. Extend beyond the surface. Click OK. And you now have, let's do a shaded view. You now have another surface here. And oops, another surface there. Nice. Now, why do you split surface? Well, one, you can delete that. If it's the building area, you can delete that and you are now opening the site or the land to place your building. That's one. Another is you can, of course, change materials, right? You can change materials. And another is, of course, you can edit it separately.